Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming whether your business has Texas Sales Tax Nexus, a physical location, inventory, employees, or economic activity that triggers tax obligations. Decide your legal structure, sole proprietor, LLC, corporation, and have your FAIN or SSN ready. Estimate your first-year taxable sales to choose a filing frequency. Small sellers often start with monthly or quarterly reporting. Pick an effective registration date, such as your first sale date, and prepare to collect resale certificates when buying for resale. Collect all documents before you start the application: Federal Employer Identification Number, FAIN or Social Security Number, business formation date, and owner or officer details with contact information. Record your primary business address, sales locations, and whether you employ staff in Texas. Prepare an estimate of monthly taxable sales in dollars and determine if you will collect resale certificates. If you sell alcohol or motor vehicles, note special licenses. Otherwise, note standard retail, wholesale, or service classifications. Apply online through the Texas Comptroller Registration Portal to request a sales and use tax permit. Complete business, ownership, and sales estimates, then submit. The comptroller assigns a filing frequency and issues your permit number. Start collecting tax immediately from sales on or after your effective date. File returns and remit tax using My Tax by your assigned deadlines. Maintain sales records, issue resale certificates to qualified buyers, and update your registration when ownership, address, or business activity changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.